Here's the reality. For Kentucky bluegrass, timing matters far more than which weed killer you buy. A bad schedule kills effectiveness even with the best product, but get your timing right and you shift control rates from 50% up to 90% or better. Crabgrass is the fight most homeowners are losing in spring, and timing is the entire battle. When soil temperatures at 2 inches reach around 55 degrees Fahrenheit, roughly when forsythia blooms, crabgrass begins to germinate, and your pre-emergence herbicide must be down before that moment arrives. Apply prodiamine, dithiopyr, or pendimethalin when soil temps hit 50 to 55 degrees in early spring. Water it in with 1/4 to 1/2 inch of moisture and you'll get solid control. But here's where most people stop short. A single full-rate spring application delivers only 76 to 89% crabgrass control. A split application with half rates in spring and again 6 to 8 weeks later reaches 91% or better, making one pass insufficient for aggressive pressure. Before we go any further, like this video and subscribe to the channel. It really helps us produce more quality lawn maintenance videos for you. Broadleaves operate completely differently from crabgrass, and this is where fall transforms everything. Dandelions, clover, plantain, violets, all of them respond to timing that most homeowners misunderstand. From mid-September through early November, apply a 2,4-D based 3-way combining 2,4-D, MCPP and dicamba, while these weeds move carbohydrates down into their roots, which delivers 90% control or better. Spring applications leave you at about 50%, which is exactly why that fall window is where your entire year succeeds or fails. Here's why timing aligns so perfectly with Kentucky bluegrass biology. This grass functions as a cool season perennial that shuts down and enters semi-dormancy above 85 degrees in summer, peaking in spring and fall. That's exactly why spring nitrogen promotes disease and why you should avoid weed and feed products entirely. Fertilize in fall when the grass is actually growing, apply broadleaf herbicides in that same window, and your lawn emerges stronger and more resilient. Quinclorac and mesotrione handle sprouted crabgrass well, but timing is everything here too, so apply early before the plant tillers and spreads. Second, this is non-negotiable. Mow tall at 3 to 4 inches and overseed thin spots because a dense, healthy Kentucky bluegrass stand remains your best weed prevention tool, and no herbicide can duplicate that. Here's your bottom line. Yes, buy the right product, but what really matters is nailing the calendar first. Spring pre-emergence applications must go down before soil temperatures hit 55 degrees, and fall broadleaf treatment belongs in that mid-September through November window. Get those two timings right, and you've essentially solved 90% of your weed pressure problem. I hope that was helpful. Leave a comment below. Thanks for watching Turf Talk. We'll see you in the next video.